Hi guys, and this is our newly created tutorial about the Instagram application where we show you how to mention someone, how to add text on posts, on stories and also on Reels in the Instagram app. So let's go to this application. Right now we are on our profile page, so let's start using the Stories option. I like to add story using the home page and swiping it to the right side. Later I will choose some background as an example to not only add some tag, but to have some background definitely. Let's click on this one as an example, and after to tag someone, to mention someone, you need to pick on the third shortcut at the top bar of the screen and click on the mention feature which will appear. Don't forget that on this bar you have to set the nickname of the needful person you want to tag. It will be the HardReset.Info because this is our official account which we will use as an example. Also, you can find the needful account here on the menu to be sure that your selected account is rightly set. Later, you can also manage the location of the created tag, and don't forget that after tapping on this sticker, you can also choose the needful color and style. Rotate it using 2 fingers and also manage its size after dragging to the needful sides. Okay, when you did it, and if you like the created story, let's tap on the Send To option. Also, you have an option, a way to share it only with your close friends, but I will upload this story to my profile page, so I need to pick on the share and done. Wait a minute please before the upload. I need to say you that we had logged on our official account here, so we will get some notifications. Don't look at them please, because you won't have some alerts, nothing like this. It's only because of our settings here on the phone. So let's go to the settings. Let's repeat what I said. Right now we need to check the result after going to the stories section here. After picking on this icon at the home screen, we have our newly created story, so we have the smoothly set tag and how to use it. Remember that everyone who will see this story can tap on this sticker one time and choose the appeared link, after clicking on which this person will get access to the selected profile and can check all of these pictures. If its account is not private, of course. So right now I hope that you know how to create this mention tag feature on your story. Okay, so right now we will show you how to add this tag option when Reels creation. So let's go to the Reels section here at the central of the screen and tap on the camera feature here to create a new reel. Remember that we have some special videos about the Reels, about the stories, where you can find more details and more information about this content creation on Instagram, but right now I will show you only how to make tags. So I just will record some reel as an example. Later I need to pick on the next and the next one time without any additional features, etc. Later we have the cool option like tag people, and later we need to press on the central bottom to add someone. Also you can use the search bar at the top of the screen to find the needful account, because it cannot be only your friend, but absolutely some star or the account you are not following on. But I will choose the first one, HardReset.Info, as I said before. It will be our example, and later let's pick on the done feature to save changes. Don't forget about the share option at the bottom of the screen. Wait a minute before the uploading please, because we need some time. Right now this reel is posting and posted. Let's go to our account. on our profile page, and as you can see, this is our newly created reel. Let's tap on it one time. And how to check the text and people you have mentioned? We need to pick on this people icon here. Let's click on it one time, and here we will get access to the whole list of all of the mentioned people of this reel. After clicking on the nickname, you also will get access to this profile. So right now you know how to adjust and control the text option on your Instagram stories and also on your Instagram reels. And the last option is the post text. Let's create a new post after picking on this plus icon when you are on your profile page. We need to click on it one time and choose the post feature, which is the second one on the list. Later on using the gallery, which will appear here on the second part of the screen, I will choose some photo as an example, like this one, and click on the next option to choose this photo as an example. Sorry, I repeated, but okay. Later we have some special option like tag people. Let's click on it one time, and let's choose the add tag option here. Later, after clicking on the search bar, you can also search and find the needful account. I will choose HardReset and tap on this nickname. Later, don't forget that you can also correct the location of the created tag. I will choose this one and tap on the done to save changes. Don't forget to share this newly created post, and we will go to the profile page to check the result. Yes, we have our post. Let's click on it and tap on the same people icon here. We also can get access to the whole list of the text and mentioned people, but you can also just pick on the free space on the photo to get access to the link on it. In this way, you will get access to this profile without any troubles and errors. Remember that you will also have the mentioned history in the direct messages with the person you had tagged. But right now I know that you had I hope that each of the settings you did successfully and without any troubles. Don't forget about likes, guys, and I hope that this guide was useful and interesting for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to find out even more interesting tricks about the Instagram and other applications. Goodbye to everyone. Bye bye.